Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we have a planting tutorial for you today. We are going to show you how to make our bridal shower hanging basket mix. Now, when we make them in store, we use these 14-inch fiber pots, and they do come with a metal swivel hanger, so they're pretty heavy duty. We really like to use the fiber pot for the bridal shower mix because we get asked to make these for a lot of weddings and for bridal showers. So I'm going to show you how they look right now, the ones that we have in store. These were planted quite a while ago and they are on the small side, but they will be hitting the floor tomorrow. So if you're looking to buy one pre-made, you can come by this weekend. And for those of you that pre-ordered, yours will be ready to pick up in the next 2 weeks. Make sure to book an appointment before popping in. Back to today's tutorial. We're starting with this 14-inch fiber pot, and I have it filled almost to the top with soil. As always, we're going to add in some slow release. Work that in, top it off with some water. For this mix, we're going to use 3 Super Tunia Mini Vistas. It's a really great white petunia that just makes such a nice tight shape and flowers beautifully. So 3 of these will go in the middle. And then we add 6 vines. We've got 2 dichondra. This is Dichondra Silver Falls. Really nice trailing vine, can get 4 feet long in our climate. 2 creeping Charlies. These grow really long. We like the variegated leaf. We are running low on these, so if you want to copy this mix and you shop with us, we do have some substitutes that would work just as well in a green shade. And our final vine, we put in 2 helichrysum. These are also called licorice plant, and they get really fluffy, kind of making a nest. Let's get to it. First, we're going to put the 3 Super Tunias in the center, just in a little triangle. We don't break up the roots. It doesn't benefit the plant at all to smush up the roots or to cause damage to them. It's like cutting off your feet before running a marathon. We want those roots to take off, so we leave them intact. I probably don't need to put all of the tags there, but I put them there anyway. Okay, these 3 are going to make a really nice big fluffy mound. And for the 2 vines, we're just going to go opposite sides for each of them, rotating around the pot. Next, Creeping Charlie. It's really nice having these vines get super long, and the fluffiness of the licorice plant kind of just goes about here, and the petunias go on top, so it's this really beautiful layer of whites and silvers and greens. I'm going to put the dichondra in beside it. So we have licorice plant, Creeping Charlie, and the Dichondra Silver Falls. When we're planting a basket like this with, 2.5-inch, 4-inch, or the tall 4-inch pots like the Super Tunias come in, we don't fill the soil exactly to the top. We do leave it down just a little bit. This gives us some space because we know that we have all this extra soil from the plants. Okay, so Creeping Charlie in, and 1 more dichondra. This is going to be gorgeous. Again, we're going to show you the pictures of these. There's a local business in town called Tweak Medi Spa, and they do an absolutely fantastic job with these baskets in the summertime. What you should know is that they have invested in a watering system. So they have a drip irrigation that helps them, just consistently water their baskets. And yeah. So this is what it looks like today. These are going to fill out so quickly and look so good. When you're putting on these hangers, they just have a straight end. We bend all 4 at once. That way it's the same height. And then just install the hanger. We always do a light watering before we plant, but after we plant, we do give it a more thorough watering. And there we have it. Ready to hang up and let it grow some more. If you're interested in our pre-order program so you don't miss out on certain mixes, or if you need a quantity of them that all match especially, our pre-order program is really the best service we can offer for that. And if you sign up for our e-newsletter, you can do that at debsgreenhouse.com. It's on our homepage of our website, and we can keep you up to date on when the pre-orders start. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.